Sab se pale Google par Android development projects search karna hai. Is K bad show first number par websites show ho rai hays par click carry. Yahan par op ko boat sari free source code K saf projects mil je gauge in hay app use car sak te hain, moin a description mine websites ka link dal dia hay app wan ja ke dik lin. Is mine beginners K li different projects full code K saf hay. Now ham tic tac game par click car te hay. Now you can see viewers Yahan par code files. Drawable files main activity. Yawniki full repository hay. Is websites ko app details say di kane game to you useful hey. I hope you like this video, please share and subscribe.